how to silence iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, just generally the iPhone 12 series, then this video is going to walk you through how you can make your iPhone ring in silent without vibrating and without bringing out your iPhone ringtone. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to silence iPhone 12 Pro Max, first, just locate the side here and locate the ringer. So once you can find the ringer, all you just need to do is go to the ringer, then tilt it downward. Then you're gonna see silent mode is on. So once you have the silent mode on, all incoming call on your iPhone will be put on silent and you'll only be notified with a missed calls or with a flash. Then see, ringer is on, then the silent mode is turned off. Return it back again, then you should see the silent mode turned on your phone. Or better still, you can also turn on silent mode on your iPhone 12 if you shut down the control center. Then create a customized focus and set up new focus. Once set up new focus on your iPhone and you want to turn on the silent mode, just go ahead and turn on the focus mode on your phone, and then the silent mode will turn on based on your preferences. So that is basically how to silence iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.